So in a single line to say infinite, infinite is extremely large value or limitless value. Those are called as infinites. Okay, and this symbol, okay, they are called as infinity, they call. Okay, so basically it is a limitless value, a limitless, okay, limitlessly large, limitlessly large values are called as infinite. For example, okay, simple example I'm taking, or you can call extremely large value, any extremely large value where you can't even count, those values are called as infinites. For example, I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm writing some number, and continuously I keep on writing the digits. I'm continuously writing. For example, I have written some lastly, okay, after 1 lakh digits, I've written 8, or 1 crore digits, I've written 8. Now, is there a number which is bigger than this? Yes, I'll write one more digit. It is there. Okay, is there any number which is bigger than this? Yes, it is there. Now, tell me what is the largest digit possible like this? It is not possible, and that number which is not possible to even write, that number is called as infinite. We can't even write that number. So these are called as limitlessly large value. There is no limit for this number. Or you can call simply extremely large values. These are extremely large values. Hope this is clear now. Then how to understand this? So remember, so 1 by 0 is not infinite. This one thing you have to keep in mind. Again and again I am repeating. So 1 by 0 is never equal to infinite. 1 by 0 is always undefined. 1 by 0 is undefined. Then how to write infinite? I'll write like this. 1 by 0 is undefined. 1 by some small value, or what I'll do is, if I write 1 by 10, I'm dividing 1 by 10. So this value will come out as 0.1. This everyone knows. Now 1 by 100 I'll write. Then what I'll write? After decimal point, okay, I'll get 0.1. Okay, this everyone knows. Now 1 by, okay, what I'll do is, I'll take an extremely large value. Okay, 1, after 1, I will put 1 lakh zeros. So here, what I'll get? 0 point, okay, how many digits I'll get totally? 1 lakh zeros are there, I'll get 1 lakh digits. Okay, and the last one I'll get, that much small number I'll get. Now, here 1 by extremely large value is there. On the other side, there is an extremely small value is there. Or 1 by extremely small value will become extremely large value, or 1 by extremely large value will become extremely small value. Or what I'll do is, I'll define the infinite in this way. So 1 by x, where x is extremely small, where x is extremely small. So if I take extremely small x value, okay, this x, I don't put equal to 0. If I put equal to 0, it will become undefined. So rather I'll do is, what I'll do is, I'll put a symbol called as approaching. It will become very small. When I call x tends to 0, this symbol is called as tending. So I'll let x equal to 0.00000, okay, after 1 crore zeros, 1. And still it can be smaller than this. Remember this, that much small. So never put x equal to, it is never equal to 0, but it is approaching to 0. So this much small value, if I take in the denominator, then the result will be extremely large value. That I am calling as infinite. Hope this is clear. Okay, this. So remember, infinite is not undefined. Infinite means extremely limitless value, and that will come in whenever in the denominator. The denominator number is extremely small. So this you have to keep in mind.